Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to restore your WordPress website from a backup. In my previous video I have already shared how to backup your WordPress using updates. Now click on the settings and then updates. Okay, you can see there is a backup file. If you want to restore any kind of backup, you can click on the restore. You can select whatever you want to restore and then click on the next. It will take some time. Okay, you can see the backup archive files have been successfully processed. Now click on the restore. It will take some time. Okay, you can see the restore has been successful. So now click on the return to updates plus configuration. You can see your backup has been restored. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.